sing that song of peace. From the toils that bind me, it will bring release. Burdens will be lifted that are pressing so. Showers of great blessing, oh, my heart will flow. Sing to me of heaven, let me fully dream of His golden glory, of His pearly gleam. Sing to me when shadows of the evening fall. Sing to me of heaven, sweetest song of all. To me of heaven as I walk alone, dreaming of the comrades that so long have gone. In a fairer region among the angel throne, they are happy as they sing that old sweet song. Sing to me of heaven, let me fully dream of His golden glory, of His pearly gleam. Sing to me when shadows of the evening fall. Sing to me of heaven, sweetest song of all. To me of heaven tenderly and low, till the shadows on me rise and swiftly go. When my heart is weary, when the day is low, sing to me of heaven, sing that old sweet song. Sing to me of heaven, let me fully dream of His golden glory, of His pearly gleam. Sing to me when shadows of the evening fall. Sing to me of heaven, sweet